Are you good? Should I scoot over more? Do we need to put more in the middle, or you good?
I'm going to have it more this way because otherwise I see more of that stuff.
Oh, right on.
See my red button? I
Oh,
can.
you can see. Do you want this?
Oh, you can see my my light.
Oh, you have a
I'm tall
halo.
enough.
Do you need adjustment?
Sure. You want to move that way a little bit for me, please?
You mean turn or move?
I think it's going to have to move
Move.
because it's reflecting on the. Maybe enough for seeing this. Yeah, just put it in the kitchen.
Well, no,
Leave
if
it
I just
on,
go
but
back
put it
and
way
get
over
the-
there.
And get the angle right.
Yeah, that's good enough.
That's better. Yeah, you could just barely see like a. Thank you.
Thanks.
No problem.
I'm recording now, so we'll just have your noise. And at least I can do the introduction and then.
Bonus. Do you need your script? Or you good?
I think I'm good.
Okay.
We'll find out. Okay, here we go. Take one. Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going. Nope. See, there we go. Take two.
Is this gonna have bloopers at the end?
Probably. Makes it fun. Wow,
I enjoyed that one.
that was mapley. It's cleansing my palate. My wrappers.
I like while the wrappers are on your side. It makes.
I know. I'm like, you don't have anything over there. Oh, latte.
Ooh, latte. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Now I don't see here necessarily an espresso one.
No.
Like just latte, not like a straight up like espresso
Right.
coffee one.
I didn't see anything of that.
Just
The only other goofy one that I saw was like a sake. Because I think that's one of their drinks or the.
Mm-hmm.
Is that alcoholic?
I think so. Isn't that the rice? Is sake the rice?
I don't know.
I don't know. I only see it in the movie.
Could be. But that one I didn't get. That one. Well, this is white chocolate. I need to get myself a napkin. The chocolate's melting in my hands.
Or I can put it in my lap, I suppose.
It's dark out there.
Yeah, it gets dark around 6 these days.
Yeah.
Try not to be too slouchy. Thank you. Okay.
All right. Apple cinnamon. Make sure my red light's not blinking. So I still got battery. Woo! So we have ice cream. What do we do next? Nope. Yeah, that's ice cream. This is cookies and cream.
Yep, and that's cookies and cream.
Oh.
Oh, what?
Wow. We have different wrappers for that one. Wow.
Green versus purple.
Anything else? Oh.
This has little robots. Oh, and blue.
Wow. And orange. Yeah, we'll take two different colors and see if they're different flavors, but
It's kind of like the gum
one's
or
a
whatever
summer,
that
too.
always has a joke on it, but
I want
these have
to wear
questions.
it. What is fashionable?
Something to do with the
There's
space
a
suit.
space suit. Oh, there's a
Because
space
it's a
suit on
space guy
there.
on there, yeah. Did that say
So
teenage
that's
ice cream?
universe? What is fashionable and devoted universe? What is a fashionable and useful amount of space? I want to wear it.
I want to wear it.
Oh, hence why you have to learn the language.
Worst so far. And I put double check marks in the apple cinnamon one. Double no
Yeah.
on that one.
Definite no. I think mint is going to be a real strong flavor.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that would take over any other. I don't know. Orange ones.
Oh, yep, we did have
Like, it's good. It's close to Halloween. So I can hand these out for trick or treaters. Oh, we don't get a whole lot here. You get a lot of trick or treaters by you?
We actually don't. Now, when we first moved into our house, we maybe got like 12 to 15, and then because of where we live at the end of our street, it's right next to a major street, and usually the parents won't let their kids go that far to the major street, so I get the candy.
When we first moved here, we had a lot of kids in the neighborhood. I think other people would also drive their cars to drop off kids.
Mm-hmm.
We went through two, like we bought one of the really big bags of candy. We'd gotten through two of those. And I think I said, went out to the store to even get more. So the next year we really, we're ready for it. And we went through maybe one bag. The year after that, we had like 5. Like, okay.
Comes in waves.
Those are-
You-
yeah.
Better to be over
A lot of
prepared than
kids,
under
yeah.
prepared, I suppose.
Hence why then I buy chocolate that I want to eat. I buy chocolate first of all, and then because then whenever because so what's left over, then I have.
Well, then it's easier to keep too, right? You can freeze chocolate if you needed to. If it would get that far.
Sure. It doesn't last that long. Yeah, no. So as opposed to other people like to buy like suckers or they'll buy Tootsie Rolls, something they're not going to eat, and you know whatever. And it's not me. I'm like I want something I'm going to eat. So if it's left over, then it's not going to waste. It's not going to. I'm like.
I still can't believe
It's
they've made
too-
this
it's
like
too-
shareable, breaking it in half. This just blows my mind. Fun size candy alone is just
Woo!
oh.
We're still going. It stopped at one point because it said that you haven't touched it.
Oh, I was just wondering if you've been watching your battery.
Yes, it did die at one point, so I did that too.
It wouldn't want you to all of a sudden
Miss
not know
all
where you
this.
stop and have to go back and eat more.
Eat more. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, no, not at this point.
No going back.
that was a lot of. Well, it still is a lot of.
It is.
sugar.
It was different with like mini M&Ms. Mini M&Ms, it's more coating than the inside chocolate.
So if you like
Really
coating
good.
flavor,
Yeah, I'm like, why does this taste different? Why is it like I like this better? What's also interesting that I've found, I don't know if you ever found this with any other candy bar, but Mr. Good Bars.
okay.
They have, the Mr. Good Bar in the that multi-pack of the mini candy bars with the Hershey and the Crackle and the whatever. Those Mr. Good Bars for me are like, they're so good. I'm like, so one of the days I was at the store and I'm like, well, I like Mr. Good Bar, so I'm gonna, grab a big, regular size Mr. Good Bar. It didn't taste the same.
Really?
Yeah.
Was
And I'm
the
like, okay, how is that? It's Mr. Good Bar, made by the same company, made but one's big and one's smaller, so
is it the packaging?
know.
Because the smaller ones come in like the little foil,
Yeah.
outside foil paper.
yeah,
And what kind of packaging was the big one in? Was it
just
just
a plastic wrapper.
just a
little
plastic
bit.
wrapper like
Yeah.
these?
I don't know. It was interesting. I'm like, again,
Just always stick
why?
with
And
the
then with
small
the mini
ones.
M&Ms, I'm like, well, yeah, there's coating. That's all the sugar coating. Interesting. Wow.
All right, so that was
Well, that would be milk chocolate Japanese, which is not on there then. All right. Basically, we just have the dark chocolate left on. Because the
Yep.
big cat's just going to be, it's going to be what we said, 5 layers and crunchy, more crunchy.
yeah, it's just
than
gonna
that.
be more crunchy. We'll definitely yeah.
Same taste.
Sydney's getting weak towards the end here with these wrappers. They're defeating her.
Oh,
Is
yeah.
this like the 90% bitter dark chocolate? No. But
Battery.
oh, we're getting the blankie. American Dark Left. We can do it.
Oh, cookies and cream. I didn't mark my cookies and cream. Isn't that? I know it was just kind of a bluff. The only
Middle
okay,
of
yeah.
the
And
road,
the yogurt
as
we
they
didn't
say.
do, and the king size we didn't do.
I
So
think I got all. Yep. So we're down to the American. Oh, this was the Japanese dark
your
chocolate.
sheet is also nice. Mine's scribbled all over. All these little notes.
Just don't. I don't know about nice, but. All right. So I got dark chocolate. The American version. Let's see if this is actually more chocolatey.
Yeah, because dark chocolate is dark chocolate. I mean,
Have they ever made like a chocolate on chocolate? Like dark chocolate with chocolate wafers in the middle? That'd be another interesting combination
Chocolate wafer
to
cookie.
perhaps try.
just homemade.
There you go. Oh yes, of course. How could I forget? She made some really stellar ones.
All right, I think that one's broken in half.
Top 5. I kind of starred 5 that I liked. Can I rate them necessarily 1 through 5? I don't know, but I have 5 favorites.
Do you really? You already know?
Yep.
Wow.
I put stars.
Oh,
As we
look
went.
at you.
Whether it's an asterisk or a star, I kind of varied in my symbols, but I know what it means, and that's what matters.
The one big definite no, apple cinnamon. That I know.
Apple cinnamon?
Yeah.
Nope.
No.
Even the apple one to me was a no. It was like a deal breaker.
Yeah,
I
that
don't
and
know, I
probably the orange cream. That was another one that I'd be like, as far as, yeah, if it's sitting out and when I grab them to eat, no.
Actually, the adjective I used was drab.
That's what I really. Alrighty.
Just drab. There ain't nothing. And my other not awesome one was that matcha tiramisu. Those were the four ones that were. Oh, and I put no by the raspberry.
Oh.
The raspberry cream was better, but the regular raspberry.
Yeah.
That was also in my no pile, or no column rather. If you're just
Oh, I
going for
don't know. What
texture,
do I
pick
like?
that one. But if you're going for flavor,
How bad is it? You know, like just the regular stuff as opposed to the flavors. Oh, I like lemon.
I mean, and those were. Are you gonna rank them? Are you gonna try and do 1 through 5?
I'm trying to figure out which other ones I really liked. I like the lemon as far as flavors, you know.
What about that fig one? Did you like the
like
nuttiness in that one? Could you eat that one?
That
Not
was
your
okay.
favorite?
It was more, yeah, it was more nutty than coffee flavored. And again, I'm not a coffee drinker, so that's why I don't, I didn't
Oh, no,
care
the
for
fig one.
coffee. Yeah, right. That's what I'm
you
saying. That was more nutty than
Oh, then okay. I see.
because like hazelnut is kind of like a coffee, yeah, more flavored, but okay, let me see. Apples, okay. Apple cinnamon was no. The biscuit was okay. Cookies and cream, no. Cookies and cream and ice cream are kind of blah.
Yep. They definitely.
The
Met the
Duo
middle
didn't
of
have
the-
much, so if I needed it, yeah. Fig fruity cereal was, fruity pebbles. Had a good taste.
Mhm.
Honeycomb didn't taste like anything.
Honeycomb. It wasn't apple cinnamon bad, but it wasn't for me like the fig one awesome. So it got in the middle of the road. The flavor was just I don't even know what that was.
Yeah, that was ice cream, key lime pie, latte, lemon cream. That one, yeah.
The maple.
Maple. Maple was it was very mapley. Would that be my other one? It was orange, peach, plum. Well, that was.
I think the big difference here was the matcha ones. You definitely
yeah.
have a clear no in the matcha color. Where
chocolate,
all of
yeah.
those
No.
are in my yes
Yeah.
column.
Yes, freak, yeah, because you like coffee, flavored coffee in the morning.
I didn't mind it. It was mild. I enjoyed it.
All right. So now it'd be interesting too, thinking about other candies, other, like I said, whether it be, Candy Kisses or something like that. You see those with different flavors. Or like I said, with the pumpkin pie, it was too bad we didn't have pumpkin pie flavored for this season
For
to
the
see
fall.
how that would probably taste like pumpkin, but yay! Woo!